family friends, I'm Seohee teacher and Winnie the Bear. Today I'm going to read the story The Magic Stew Pot. The story is about poor girl Linda. One day, she has got the magic stew pot which gives her very delicious tomato stew. So let's get started. Once upon a time, there was a little girl called Linda who lived with her mother. One day, they found that they had nothing left to eat.
I'm sorry, my dear, we are too poor,
said her mother. The next day, Linda went off into the woods to find something to eat. Maybe I will find something for dinner today. But Linda couldn't find anything. Linda was so hungry that she began to cry. Suddenly, an old woman appeared and asked,
Why are you crying, my dear?
Because I'm so hungry, replied Linda.
Then you shall be hungry no more,
said the old woman, giving Linda a small cooking pot.
When you're hungry, just say to the pot, Cook, let the pot cook, and it will cook your very delicious stew. When you want the pot to stop cooking,
continued the old woman,
you must say, Stop, little pot, stop.
Thank you. Linda ran home with the cooking pot to her mother and told her what the old woman had said.
Our hunger is over,
said her mother.
The cooking pot will keep us well fed.
Whenever they were hungry, they said to the cooking pot, Cook, little pot, cook. The stew was always good and they enjoyed it. One day, Linda went out for a walk. While she was out, her mother felt hungry. The mother said,
Cook, little pot, cook.
The pot began to cook a stew and the mother began to eat it. However, the mother was so busy eating and she forgot to tell the pot to stop cooking. The pot went on cooking more and more stew. Soon, the stew began to come over the tops of the little cooking pot. When the mother saw this, she knew that she must tell the pot to stop cooking, but she had forgotten the words.
That's enough, stop it.
The words were wrong and the pot didn't stop. There was just stew all over the table and the kitchen floor. The little pot went on cooking more and more stew.
No more pot, stop,
shouted the mother, but it didn't work. The house was full of stew and the pot still went on cooking more and more stew. Soon, all the houses in the street were full of stew. All of the people from all of the houses came out into the street.
It's a stiff plot!
No one knew how to stop the little pot from cooking more stew. The people in the town began to think that soon all the world would be filled with stew. Just then, as the stew was reaching the last house in the town, Linda came back from her walk.
Please stop the little pot from cooking any more stew,
cried her mother. Linda shouted, Stop, little pot, stop. And then at last, the little pot did stop cooking stew. But anyone who wanted to get across the village that day had to eat their way there. Nobody had to worry about getting hungry again. Story is end. Everyone, how was the story? Was it fun? Would you like to have a magic stew pot like Linda? I'm gonna bring more fun story next time. Bye!